How to fix thread services has stopped in Windows 10. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. As you can see, this thread here is not Windows 10 but Windows 11. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps and you just have to follow it in your Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, in the search bar, go ahead and search for turn Windows feature on or off. Go ahead and open it up. And from here, you simply want to go ahead and search for Microsoft Defender Application Guard. It is usually under Media Features, so if you found it, go ahead and tick mark it and then tap OK. Once it is done, you want to go ahead and in the search bar, search for Windows Security. Go ahead and search for it and then tap onto it. So inside Virus and Threat Protection, if you found Restart It Now, you want to go ahead and tap on Restart. And once you restart it, you'll then be able to fix your issue. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.